Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to bookmark tweets on Twitter. As users browse tweets in the Twitter mobile application, they may come across a tweet containing content they would like to save and access later on, such as an article, and when this happens, user can bookmark the tweet, which will add it to the bookmark section of their Twitter account. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. For example, we need to choose a tweet, for example this one. Now on the share button, you have the option on the first section that says bookmark. Go click on it. After that, as you can see, the tweet added to your bookmark. Where you can find the bookmark? Don't worry, go on your left upper side and click the profile section and then select that says bookmarks. Go on it and here you can see where I have saved the bookmark. Now guys, you know how to bookmark tweets on Twitter. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems, comment down below in the section. We are here to help you. See you soon guys.